Welcome to the Ultimate Truck Showdown. In this video, we pit four titans of the trucking world against each other. We're comparing their engines, interiors, exteriors, transmissions, features, and more to determine which brand stands above the rest. Let's delve deeper into the engine performance of each truck brand, the powerhouse that drives these giants on the road. Scania, a Swedish manufacturer renowned for its commitment to excellence, equips its trucks with advanced Euro 6 engines. These engines offer a diverse range of power outputs, spanning from 280 to an impressive 770 horsepower. What sets Scania apart is not just the raw power, but also its emphasis on fuel efficiency and low emissions. Moving on to Peterbilt, an iconic American brand synonymous with durability and reliability. Peterbilt trucks are often powered by robust engines from PACCAR or Cummins, delivering horsepower ranging from 400 to 600. These engines are engineered for longevity, designed to withstand the rigors of long-haul journeys across the vast American landscapes. TATA Motors, hailing from India, brings innovation and reliability to the table with its range of engines, particularly those powered by Cummins. While Tata's engines may not match the raw horsepower of some competitors, they offer a balanced performance, with outputs ranging from 130 to 400 horsepower. SINO Truk, a major player from China, relies on engines from Weichai and other manufacturers to power its trucks. These engines offer a range of power outputs spanning from 200 to 540 horsepower. Next, let's step inside and explore the interiors. Scania's interiors are designed with driver comfort in mind, featuring ergonomic seats, advanced infotainment systems, and a well-thought-out dashboard. Peterbilt is renowned for its classic yet modern interiors. The spacious cabins, premium seats, and customizable dashboard layouts offer both comfort and practicality. TATA's interiors focus on functionality and ease of use, with comfortable seating, practical storage solutions, and user-friendly dashboards. SINO Truk combines comfort and utility in its interiors, with spacious cabins, adjustable seats, and straightforward dashboards. SINO Truk ensures drivers have a comfortable and efficient workspace. Now, let's take a look at the exteriors and build quality. Scania trucks are known for their sleek, aerodynamic designs. The build quality is top-notch, with robust materials ensuring durability and longevity. Peterbilt trucks have a distinct, iconic look with their long hoods and classic American styling. The build quality is exceptional, designed to withstand the rigors of long-haul trucking. TATA trucks feature practical and functional designs. The build quality is solid, using durable materials suitable for diverse climates and terrains. SINO Truk offers robust and practical designs. The build quality is reliable, with a focus on cost-effectiveness and durability. Let's shift gears and explore the transmission and drivetrain options. Scania offers advanced transmission systems, including the Scania OptiCruise automated gear-changing system. These transmissions are designed for smooth shifting, fuel efficiency, and reducing driver fatigue. Peterbilt trucks feature a range of transmission options, including Eaton-Fuller manual and automated transmissions. These systems are known for their durability and ease of maintenance. TATA offers reliable transmission options, including manual and automated systems. These transmissions are designed for efficiency and ease of use, catering to diverse driving conditions. SINO Truk provides a range of transmission options, focusing on cost-effectiveness and reliability. These systems are designed to handle the demands of heavy-duty operations, offering solid performance and durability. Now, let's delve into the features and technology that each brand offers. Scania trucks are packed with advanced features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and advanced emergency braking systems. Peterbilt integrates modern technology with its traditional design, offering features like predictive cruise control, advanced collision mitigation systems, and smart navigation. TATA trucks come equipped with practical features such as fuel management systems, telematics, and advanced driver assistance systems. These features enhance safety. SINO Truk offers essential features focused on reliability and cost-effectiveness, including basic telematics, fuel efficiency systems, and safety enhancements. Finally, let's consider the cost and value of each truck. Scania trucks are positioned at the premium end of the market, with higher initial purchase prices. However, their advanced technology, fuel efficiency, and durability often translate into lower total cost of ownership over the long term. Peterbilt trucks also come with a higher price tag, reflecting their quality and performance. The robust build and reliable performance make them a valuable investment for long-haul operations with excellent resale value. TATA trucks are priced competitively, offering a good balance of cost and features. Their reliability and low maintenance costs make them an attractive option for operators in diverse markets, ensuring good value for money. SINO Truk is known for its affordability, providing robust performance at a lower initial cost. While the long-term costs can vary, the lower purchase price makes them accessible to a wide range of operators, particularly in emerging markets. In the winner. In engine performance, Scania leads with its powerful and efficient engines. For interior comfort and technology, Scania also stands out with its luxurious cabins. In exterior design and build quality, Scania and Peterbilt both excel with their robust and stylish designs. When it comes to transmission and drivetrain, Scania's advanced systems take the lead. In features and technology, Scania again stands out with its advanced connectivity and safety systems. In terms of cost and value, TATA and SINO Truk offer the most competitive pricing, making them practical choices for many operators. Considering all these aspects, the winner of our epic truck battle is Scania. With its superior engine performance, luxurious interiors, advanced technology, and overall value, Scania proves to be the best brand among the four. However, each brand brings its unique strengths, catering to different needs and markets. Thank you for joining us in this epic truck battle. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting comparisons and insights into the world of trucks. See you next time.